Say you're given a model in the wedge and dash projection. You can make this go from a 2D model to a 3D model just by using your fingers. We do this by looking at what the different lines, wedges, and dashes mean. The straight line shows that the OH and the H are in the plane. You can establish this making an L with your finger. OH at the top, obviously. H is the thumb. We won't worry about giving that a color. The wedges mean that that part of the molecule is coming towards you, while the dashes mean that it's going away from you. This can be recreated with your fingers again by making another L and putting those two L's together to form a molecule. As you can see, you have the OH at the top, and you have your base of hydrogen, methyl, and ethyl. From here, you can rotate your molecule and look at it from a variety of different ways. You can look at it from the bottom, from the base to the top, from the top to the base, and any direction that you can move your fingers. With our 3D representation of this molecule, we now can establish R and S spin for the chiral center that is presented. Remember, a chiral center is a centrally located carbon, which is the webbing of my fingers between my thumb and my index finger together right there. To establish the spin, you have to place your hydrogen atom, which is my thumb, in the back and put the other three molecules all in the same plane. To do that, you rotate your hands, so your hydrogen is going backwards, and your other three molecules are all in the same plane. We'll rank them hydroxide number 1, ethyl number 2, and methyl number 3. As you can see, this moves in a clockwise pattern, giving our chiral center R spin. Next, we'll bring Fischer projections to life, or at least 3 dimensions. So, as the Fischer projection is written, it's written like that. Keep the same molecule just to make it easy. But what this really means is this, where if you change Fischer projection into wedge and dash, the horizontal axis comes out towards you, while the vertical axis goes away from you. We can make that with our fingers easily by doing the same thing, making the same shape with our fingers. Now we have hydroxide, hydrogen coming near us, ethyl and methyl going away from us. From here, you can establish your spin the same way we did before by just rotating your molecule and getting everything in the same plane. So here we have our hydroxide, our methyl, and ethyl. This time, the spin is going away the opposite direction, or clockwise, giving it an S spin.